This one have not given birth even once.
This one?
Right now it is pregnant, 6 months. This is now the super giant. You see? She'll give birth for the first time. This one
even this one has never given birth?
No, it has. It's giving me 38.
38 liters?
Liters, yes.
Per day?
Yeah, same as that one. They are big, they are huge. These are called, it's a crossbreed between Jersey and Asia. It's an indigenous breed.
Oh.
Same, you see that one?
Yes,
The first one?
Yes.
To give birth for the first time. So those ones are the ones we call the super giant. Served with selected sex semen. Yeah. It gives birth to a heifer only. It doesn't give birth to a bull.
That one?
Yeah, these big ones, they carry very big eyes.
So they don't give birth to
bulls?
Bulls?
No. Because the AI that I've served it with is selected sex semen for heifers only. Yeah. You can go there to see the others. Oh. These are now the super giants. Most of them are.
What about that one?
That one is giving me milk.
Milk now?
And
that's how many?
It's doing 38.
38.
And it is pregnant.
So most of them 38?
Most of them are 38.
Even pregnant now?
It is pregnant now. The other one that is coming out will give birth for the second time. But I'm not milking her.
Oh, why?
I've dried her to give her time to rest for 2 months. And then it will give birth. Then I start milking again.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is to rest for 2 months?
Yeah, she's resting for 2 months.
So, wait a minute. You mean the resting period from giving milk to giving birth is 2 months?
I only give it 2 months if I was milking it.
Oh.
When the pregnancy gets to 7 months, I stop milking. I start steaming.
But how many months does it give birth?
9, like us. Like humans.
Like human being?
Yes. Like human being.
Oh,
so I'm milking some of them. Others will give birth for the first time. Okay. I'll show you others.
Okay. These are the ones giving you milk.
These are only 1 year old, but they are served. Confirmed. They say in simple terms they are pregnant for the first time.
These ones are pregnant
for the first time.
For the first time. Yeah. Wait till you start giving you milk.
Give birth or calf down for the first time and give me milk. That's why I have a big maternity there. So that if at least 3 or 4 cows are giving birth, I'll take them behind them.
Your nursery?
And they'll be safe, yeah. So I have 3 different grades of these. I have these are giants. And then I have the super giants. The big ones with big bodies.
So these ones are big. Now if you're talking about big. Super.
But then I have others which are even bigger. Even bigger than this.
Where did you get the parent stuff?
We used the mother farm. My mother-in-law used to have a farm.
Oh.
That's so many years ago. So we used those breeds and imported AIs from outside.
So you mixed them?
Yeah, so we've done that generation growth. Yes. And that's why one cow is able to produce even 30 liters when it gives birth the first time.
30 liters?
Yes.
Per day?
Yes, when it gives birth the first time. That's why.
So it reduces when it gives birth second time?
Second time, it doesn't reduce, it adds. Goes up to 40.
40 liters?
Even 45 liters. You find someone with a cow doing 45 liters per day. Oh, yeah. But then usually what we do modern delivery. You see how clean we are? Yes. There are so many of them together, but they are so clean. Yeah. We keep cleaning the sheds as regularly as possible.
So after twice in a day? Or?
No. Even 4 or 5 times a day.
You clean?
Yes, because these cows, sometimes they don't sleep in their sleeping areas. And when there are many, others have to sleep here. So you have to be as clean as possible. So that even when it sleeps there and wake up, it will still be clean. Even the hooves, you can see the hooves are still clean.
Yeah, very clean.
Yeah. So keep your cows as clean as possible, comfortable, and they'll give you milk. Then give them a balanced diet.
Good. Okay, wonderful.
There I have dairy goats. Maybe I can show you.
Hey, you also have dairy goods?
Yes. So if you're building a shed, do a modern cow.
Yeah.
Easy to clean, it's comfortable for the cows.
This is good.
This for the dairy goats.
This one gives to milk.
Yeah. But most of these ones here are young ones.
Oh, these are young ones.
Others, yeah, others are served waiting to give birth. The ones I'm looking at these are the calves now.
The he-goats.
Yeah.
But that one is too big.
Even this one is big. This food is called sunny. And the one you said is big is called the German Alpine.
And that one?
Sunny, highest producer of milk.
Look at that.
And it fights, eh?
It fights, eh?
Yeah, it's very violent. That's why it has a rope on the neck. We have restrained him there. You see, when he does that, he's preparing for war.
So where are the sheep? You said these are young.
This one, yeah. These are young ones. They are already served by these ones.